Alright guys, just trying to find a good way to position this. Alright, now, this is what I've been doing lately. I actually got what I've been talking about like the previous videos. Alright, I bought some games today. And I bought some games a couple weeks ago actually, which was Friday the 13th and WWE 2K18. Before that, we got the PS4 camera and its glory. I'm going to show you the games I got before I show you the last thing. BioShock Collection, Battlefield 1, Call of Duty Infinite Advanced Warfare, or whatever the hell you want to call it, Resident Evil 7. We're going to do some face cam action with this one. And Far Cry 4, which I've been wanting to play, but I already have it on the not 360, the one. And last but not least, we got the thing everybody's been waiting for. I told you guys I was going to get PS4 Slim. It's not the Pro, but it's the Slim that comes with Star Wars Battlefront 2. So on top of all that, I got the newest, Star Wars game. Ah, shit. God damn it, I swear. Things are not looking out for me other than what I got today. Sorry it was like so close, but you're gonna watch the unboxing of this now. So, with this said, this is, for those of you that don't know, this part is the part that's, I guess, with it, other than the Star Wars little packaging label thing. Hope it comes with the physical game. If not, I'm not going to complain, because I highly doubt it. But we'll see. Alright. So, here's the main part. Here is what everybody's been wanting. Oh yeah, I also got a PS4 mic. It's over there, just don't want to get up. Alright, so this is the Slim. Much smaller than the other one that I had. The other one I thought was like bigger. So there's that. Here's the directions, which obviously I'm pro with this shit, I don't need it. Oh, it does come with the physical game, actually. Oh, alright, cool. That comes with this other stuff. I was gonna say, I don't see the hookups or controller or whatever. I'm about to freak out before. Alright, so here's the little, I guess, other thing. It better come with a controller. And it's gonna piss me off. Alright, so it did come with a controller. Here's the hookups. The little headphone jack. We're not gonna need that though, so. So yeah. Fuck that headphone jack. Here's the controller. I already had a PS4, so I know how this works. Obviously. But yeah, here's the physical game. Star Wars Battlefront 2. That's pretty sweet. We got the Star Wars Battlefront 2 game. Next, now we're going to open it. Let's see if it came with anything. So yeah. Make it a little bit of a longer video, you know what I mean. Alright, well, it's just the standard game. It came with some Kylo Ren, you get a free Kylo Ren 4-star. Limited time for, Star Wars Galaxy Hero. No idea what the fuck that is, but okay. Which I don't care that I don't got the deluxe, because it really makes no fucking difference. So yeah, we got the PS4. So, with that said, guys, we're going to make some good videos when other games come out for these consoles here. Whether if it's the One, or fucking PlayStation, or whatever. I plan on getting back into videos, so, another reason why I bought the PS4 As for when I do get back into them, I can play that one game especially called Days Gone. Which looks cool. But yeah. There's the controller. Bada bing, bada boom. Don't know how there's hair on this, but okay. Controller all right here. 3 pair of headphones. I guess some jack thing to plug it into. This is kind of new. I remember this. And here's the HDMI cables, so we're good to go. I guess the Slim is much different. I don't know. I know this is like the same. This plugs into the back of over here. Where do these go? Alright, this is probably for the controller, actually. Some kind of stupid. Yeah, this has got to be for the controller. And here's the jack ports for the HDMI ports, as I just said. So, catch you guys later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I told you guys when I get the camera thingamajiggy over here, we're going to be doing some live streams on YouTube. Look forward for you know what? We're going to open this shit too. I've been dying to open this. After I'm done opening this is when I'm going to end the damn video, because why not? Alright. This must be the stand for it that it came in. Boom. This must plug into the front part, and then, you know, the camera works. So, yeah. I got the stand right here. Make it stand up. I'm assuming this is how you use it. I'll figure out using this stand and, like, you know, whenever I hook it up, decide to hook it up. I know I'm getting rid of that connect. So yeah, this has been your boy Sinister Viper 1. I'll see you guys in the next video. We got about a couple good games here, brand new. So, yeah. This is my, you know what? I'm going to show you them all. This is my stack of games for the PS4. Yeah, see you guys in the next one.